Alright guys, it's about 4 a.m. I wanted to come out here. So you guys remember all that snow plowing I did? Take a look at this. This is my roof. This is gonna definitely come down. I'm a little scared to be under it. You can see the icicles right there. I'm not really sure how I'm supposed to get out of here. You can see this is huge. It kept snowing. Obviously, you can see here the shrub or the bush is almost completely covered on the side here, and you can see the baby deer. The baby deer is completely covered at this point. There's the deers. The mama is getting covered, with Papa being the only one that's out of it. But this is pretty intense. It's pretty deep right here, so the roof is completely full. I don't really know of a safe way to get underneath it. Everything I plowed is basically, it's like I didn't plow. So it snow's still coming down hard here. This is definitely, I probably should go out here and plow so that it doesn't get too deep. Remember, once it gets too deep, then my plow won't work. But you can see that the roof is I mean, this is huge, right? Like, this is covered. So pretty crazy stuff. I actually might go ahead and plow. I might make another small video once I get done plowing here. So that's not too crazy in the morning. Pretty crazy stuff. I kind of want to see this, but I am kind of scared to walk underneath this here. Let's see. You can kind of see that this is crazy. Oh yeah, you can hear it. Oh, pretty nuts, guys. All right, the sled is completely submerged at this point. You can see the peak of it right there. Crazy amounts of snow here, guys. Yeah, I don't really have a safe way to get it out underneath this, so that's about all we're gonna look at it from here. Pretty dangerous stuff, guys. All right, like I said, it's about 4 a.m. Snow's coming down hard. I might actually get out here and plow, although I am scared to be underneath this, as the plow will knock it up. All right, guys. There's the deer. Completely submerged. I'm out.